Would you like to learn English speaking and grammar together fast? Let's get started. Generous, stingy, kind, cruel, arrogant, humble, self-centered, modest, diligent, lazy, honest, as in doing or saying the truth, okay? And also the opposite, dishonest. For example, you can say that my brother is honest, okay? But how honest is he? How much? How honest is he? Is he a little honest or is he extremely honest? A little bit, extremely honest. So we can use these words to make the adjectives stronger or less strong. A little, quite, so, very, really, extremely. I am, she is, he is, they are. Then the intensifiers, and then the adjectives. Okay? Now, what about your family members? Family members in English? Don't forget to watch this.
So, tell me about your husband.
Well, he is really kind and very honest, but he is a bit stingy, and we can say that he's quite self-centered. I can say that he is extremely lazy. You can say I am, but you can say my brother, my sister, my friend is, and for example, my parents are, my sisters are, my brothers are, quite blah. Can you guess the questions? Number 1. He is quite diligent. The question is, what's he like? She is very honest. What is she like? My brother is very self-centered. What's your brother like? Very good. My sister is quite generous. What's the question? What's your sister like? Very good. My parents are very kind. What are your parents like? Learning English at ngiraffe.com is fast and easy. Okay? See you.